181 is approximately what percent greater than 79? Well, 181 is very close to 180, and 79 is very close to 80. So let's use those numbers, 180 versus 80. Well, 160 is double 80, but then we have another 20, which is a quarter of 80. So I would say that the answer is approximately 125% greater. Now I want to give you a method that would help you solve such a question regardless of what the numbers are, and here's the method. Ask yourself, by what factor is the original number changing? The original number in this case is 79. By what are we multiplying that to get to 181? And the answer is, it's the end point over the starting point. So 181 over 79. You can check it out algebraically and make sure that it works out, right? 79 multiplied by 181 over 79 equals 181, just as we wanted it to. So this is what I call a change factor. We have a starting point of 79, which gets multiplied by a change factor of end point over starting point. So 181 over 79. Once we've established the change factor, if we're interested in percent change, it's very easy to translate into percent change. All you have to do is take 100 as your base, as your starting point, multiply that 100 by the change factor, and when you're done, subtract back out that 100, that starting point, and that will give you the percent change. If it's a positive number, that's a percent increase, and if it's a negative number, that's a percent decrease. So let's write that out. We have 181 over 79 multiplied by 100 minus 100. Now, of course, we wouldn't have to actually compute such a horrendous looking expression on the GMAT, and indeed they have the word approximately in the question stem. So turning the denominator into 80, we can now reduce very nicely with a factor of 100, and we get 5 over 4 multiplied by that endpoint of 181. And then, of course, subtract 100 when you're done. So what's 5/4 of 181? Why don't we just compute 5/4 of 200 minus 5/4 of 20? Again, we're approximating. So 5/4 of 200, that's 250. 5/4 of 20, that's 25. What's 250 minus 25? That's 225. Subtract that 100 in the end, and you get the correct answer, which again is 125%. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.